welcome to today's video. In this product review, I'm excited to announce that I recently was given an opportunity through Thomason to review a very unique baby diaper caddy. And this diaper caddy is from Baby Love, which Baby Love sells their products on Amazon. I'll have all links in the description below this video. So I thought it would be fun to do an unboxing video to show you guys what this caddy looks like and how it works and how we assemble it together. Now you can purchase this on Amazon. It retails for, let me see, what was it, $19.95. And so this is how it comes, very nicely packaged. And let's just take this plastic off and see how we get it together. So this was a bonus that came with it, which is the changing pad, and I really like the material that it's made with. Let me open this up and show you guys real quick. So this here is a very nice material. It looks like I can just throw it in my washer and wash it if it needs to be. So I like that it's set up that way. And on this side, which would probably be the side I would want to use for messes, because it's more sleek and you don't have the cloth. So on this side, you can just easily wipe down with some disinfecting wipes. So I really like that, but I really like this side too because it's softer and you can throw it in the wash if it gets dirty. And I'm sure a little bit of bleach and water would not hurt it. So I like that, and it folds up really nicely. It's thin, so I'm sure it will fit in this caddy perfectly. On top here, we've got what appears to be some organizing compartments that Velcro to the inside of the caddy so that you can kind of make it your own and choose what size you want each of your compartments to be. And there's a total of, let's see, 2 little ones here and then 2 bigger ones right here. So it is made of felt. That is what the entire thing is made of. It's made of felt. So it opens up really nicely. Because it was kind of closed up in the packaging, you might have to kind of work with it a little bit to kind of get it to hold its shape open. But once you put these in, I think it will hold its form a lot better. It is double lined from what I see with felt, so I really like that because it kind of adds a little durability to it. It looks like it was very easily put together. I love the color. I definitely really love that. I love the added gold to it. Gold is coming back out, you guys, and I think that's very elegant. I like the pocket. That is really nice. So if you have some things that you want to store in there that are loose and you don't want to lose them, you can put them in there and zip that up. I really like that. On the other side, you have another compartment, but it's not a zip kind, it's just a little pocket. And you have the same on the front and the back side as well. I really like these handles too. I love that it's portable, so if you want to take it with you on the go, if you're going on a trip, or you want to just go on a picnic and you got your little one with you and you want to keep everything nice and organized and where you can reach it, I think this is a really great addition to any nursery or any expecting parent as even a baby shower gift. So yeah, let's go on ahead and attach these compartments inside. I will say, seeing these compartments, I feel a little defeated here maybe, but we'll figure it out. So on the inside, I have got 4 strips. Actually, take that back, 5 strips of Velcro here. So as you know, I've got the 2 longer pieces and I've got the 2 shorter pieces. So adding our compartments, I'm going to take this one here because I don't have any Velcro on this side. So I'm taking my longer one that doesn't have Velcro on this end and I'm placing it this way because I don't have anything to attach on this side. So this side here looks like it would be ideal for like some diapers or pull-ups. That's another great thing about this diaper caddy that I really like is that it can kind of grow with your child. When they outgrow, the baby stage of things, then they can use it for other things, books, little toys, trinkets, perfumes, lotions, whatever it might be. I love the color of it, the yellow and the gray. It makes it very gender neutral. I think if you are having a gender reveal party, now I'm just putting in the short ones. Here, let me show you this. So you can see there I put in the 2 long ones, and like I said, the one on this side here doesn't have any Velcro, so I did not have any Velcro facing this corner. But now I'm just going to add in these smaller pieces, which is going to give us more compartments. But if you are going to a gender reveal party and you want to get, you know, the expecting mom something and you don't know what to get because you don't know what they're having, guys, this would be perfect. It's yellow and gray, very gender neutral. It's perfect. I mean, it can be used for multiple things. I'm sure that it would not go without being used because as a parent, we love to be organized. So I got it all set up, you guys. I love that it's felt on both ends, like it's double-sided. There's the inside. You can see we've got 5 compartments there. I really love the added gold. It's stitched down twice. So you've actually got 3 compartments here, as well as on the other side. So on this bigger end, I would put like diapers or, you know, pull-ups for a baby on this side, and then on the other compartments I would put things like bottled powder or, you know, oil, ointments, toys, those kind of things. This Diaper Caddy measures 15 inches across. It measures 10 inches this way, and then it measures 7 inches up and down. So you got a lot of room to work with and hold things. This Diaper Caddy retails on Amazon for $19.95. I'll have that link in the description below this video for you guys to check out. Like I said, the fact it comes with a bonus changing pad, that just is even more awesome. And it's not a bad price. I think it's very nicely built. It's durable. I love the style of it. I love how soft it is. You can put it on a shelf or you can put it on the floor. You can carry it around. These handles are made really, really nicely. I love the added gold. I think it just really adds a lot of elegancy to it. So if you was to spill anything inside of it, everything is going to contain itself, and you can just clean it out with a vacuum hose or wipe it down with a nice damp cloth. I would not recommend you put this in the washer just because you might tear it up. I would not recommend that at all, but I would definitely keep it wiped down as clean as you can. And this is really versatile, you know, as your baby grows older, you can switch things out. So yeah, any questions or comments, post them below. Thank you all for watching and tuning into my channel. If you're new, click the subscribe button and make sure you click that bell to be notified every time I upload a video. And I will see you guys again for another video. Bye guys.